Designing a website layout in Photoshop involves creating a visually appealing and functional design. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up your canvas. Open Photoshop and create a new document with the appropriate dimensions for your website. A common size for a desktop layout is 1920 pixel by 1080 pixel. Set the resolution to 72 dpi for web design. Create the basic structure. Use guides and rulers to create columns and ensure consistent alignment. Divide your design into sections like the header, main content area, and footer. Use the rectangle tool to define these areas as placeholders for images and content. Design the header. Design the navigation menu, logo placement, and any search bars or call to action buttons. Experiment with fonts and colors to make it stand out. Create content sections. Design sections like hero images, features, or testimonials using the shape tool, text tool, and place embedded for images. Focus on hierarchy by adjusting font sizes and ensure readability with good contrast. Design the footer. Add elements like contact info, social media links, and legal disclaimers. Save and export. Once done, save your layout as a PSD for editing, and export slices or images as PNG or JPG for use in development.